Hey friends, who's hungry? Forget tomato soup from a can. Velvety Smooth Tomato Bisque from scratch is creamy, comforting, and bursting with delicious flavor. In a large stock pot, heat 2 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Add 1 medium diced onion and sauté for 2 minutes. Add 1 clove of minced garlic and sauté for an additional 1 to 3 minutes until the onion is softened. Pour in 3/4 cup of dry white wine and cook for approximately 4 to 6 minutes, then decrease the heat to low. Sprinkle in 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 1/4 teaspoon of dry mustard. Then cook for 2 minutes. Gradually add 2½ cups of chicken stock and stir to prevent any lumps. Then add 2 15-ounce cans of diced tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of dried basil or dried thyme, 1 6-ounce can of tomato paste, and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Bring the soup to a boil, then reduce the heat to medium-low, cover, and simmer for 15 minutes. Puree the soup using a blender until smooth. At this point, the soup can be eaten as is, but for a creamier texture, I like to strain the soup through a mesh colander or a food mill. Discard any solids left in the colander and return the soup to the pot. Add the cream and heat through, then season with salt and pepper to your preference. Looking for more recipes? Be sure to follow me.